Uttar Pradesh government has formed a special investigation team that is an SIT to probe the Muzaffarnagar riots. Remember, they've been under the fire for not acting at the right time.
Well, we are being joined by Pranchu on the phone with us now. Pranchu, what details can you give us about the formation of this special investigating team?
Well, I see the state government has taken this decision and the society has been constituted today. It would be headed by an IPS officer, K.N. Mishra, who is an SP level officer. This entire society team has been constituted with the purpose to look into the reasons of the Muzaffarnagar riots, the reasons which led to the Muzaffarnagar riots especially, and also the failure of the alleged failure of the administration. Remember, the local administration there had been under the fire of charges that it has failed to respond in time. It gave permissions to the various panchayats which were held. So this particular SIT would look into all these aspects, the reasons of the riots, the causes and the reasons of the failure of the administration there, and this entire the probe which would be prepared by the society would be ultimately handed over to the IG of the Meerut zone, who will further put this report before the state government. So this is really an important development as far as this entire case is concerned, because remember, the government has been saying that they would look into the reasons of the riot, and this society comes in apart from the judicial commission which has already been appointed to probe into the Muzaffarnagar riots.
Now, Pranchu, explain this to us. In fact, does this also mean that the government is trying to buy more time, especially when it is under the fire right now?
Well, I see the government is in fact now not exactly buying the time here, but in fact what the government sources tell us that they are quite serious about to decide upon the reasons of the Muzaffarnagar riots, to nail in the people who are responsible for these riots, and what the authorities say that this society is basically to fix in responsibilities of the people on the ground there, especially the officers, both the administrative and the police officials there, ensure and to find out that at what point in time they have lagged in and how negligent they have been in their duties. So that is the basic ambit of this entire SIT which has been constituted. Remember, that's also the reason that this would be the part of the UP police. It would be headed by a superintendent of police level officer, and this entire report would be handed over to the IG of the Meerut zone. So that clearly means that the prima facie society would be looking into the alleged failure of the officers on the ground in performing their duties.